Hello everyone and welcome to this lecture on Autodesk Maya and sets. In Autodesk Maya, a set is a collection of objects that you can use to organize and manage your scene. This definitely shouldn't be confused with Python sets, so just remember they're something very different. Sets are useful in Maya for a variety of tasks such as selecting, hiding, or manipulating multiple objects at once. Unlike groups, sets do not alter the hierarchy of a scene. They're simply an arbitrary collection of items. Sets are useful for the following reasons. Number one, simplifying the selection of objects or components that you regularly select. Have difficulty selecting in the view panel or are nested high in the hierarchy so they are difficult to access easily. Number two, assigning objects to shading groups for rendering. Number three, moving objects from one layer to another. Number four, adjusting deformers, skins, and flexor deformation. Number five, adjusting the weight of a cluster flexors, and skin points. Number six, working with shading groups. As you become more experienced with the software, you will explore more advanced techniques and workflows with sets and how to create and set them up with the Maya API. I'll put a link to that below so that you can have a look, but more can be found on sets here and how to use them. Additionally, there are many more resources available online, including tutorials, forums that can help you learn more about sets related to techniques in Maya. I will make sure that I'll include a link within the PDF associated with this lecture, and also make sure that within Google you can just type Python space Maya space sets, and you will actually get the documentation up for Python sets and how to create them with objects and including objects, so that you can just automate this into your pipeline. Generally, I save this within the save scripts every time before I save a rig or before I send a rig out. This is a process I run so that all the required information is stored within those sets. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll talk again in the next lecture.